Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Vivo Neo 7. So first, make sure that the Wi-Fi is even enabled. Now in quick settings that you go into by scrolling from the top of the screen, click and hold the Wi-Fi and then more Wi-Fi settings. Then try to turn the Wi-Fi off and on a couple seconds later. Now wait for it to connect, and if it's still not working, then scroll down. Oh, here it is. Delete the network. Delete, and now try to connect again, but you need to type in the password. Click connect and wait for it to connect properly. It may take a while. Oh, the password is incorrect. Yes, wrong password. Connect. Now it is connected. If it's still not working, then try to restart the router and your phone. So go into the room where you have the router. I don't have it on me right now, unfortunately, so I can't show you how to. But you can find a video on our channel how to restart the router. And just restart your phone at the same time. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.